Namaskara. Remember back in the day when we all posted on our Facebook #India against corruption? Where has that fervor, the activism gone today? The Supreme Court has unearthed what could be the largest scam in India's history, the electoral bond scam. Now, an electoral bond is a method of funding political parties in an interest-free manner. Individuals or corporates could buy these bonds from the SBI in the name of a political party, which they could then redeem. Introduced by the Modi government in 2017, it ensured complete anonymity for both the purchaser and the political party. Recently, a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court held the scheme as unconstitutional and violative of the right to information. It directed the State Bank of India to release the data of all such bonds bought and redeemed between 2018 and 23 and name the purchasers and the beneficiaries. This data has recently been published on the ECI website and the results are alarming. A total of 12,700 and odd crores were given to various political parties, and it is not surprising to note that the BJP received almost half of the whole amount of around 6,000 crores, almost as much as all the other parties combined. While the TMC came in second, receiving 1,600 crores, the Indian National Congress received around 1,400 crores. Now, the recent expose has revealed glaring details of unimaginable corruption done by the BJP. Firstly, the quid pro quo mechanism. Companies have made hefty donations and miraculously received lucrative contracts or benefits in return. For example, Jindal Steel gave 25 crores in October 22 and just 3 days later they won a contract for a coal mine. Mega Engineering and Infra have given over 800 crores in April 23 and just 1 month later were awarded a tunnel project. Secondly, the extortion racket. The BJP have weaponized independent organizations like the ED, CBI and IT who would raid a particular target as an arm twisting technique, and then as soon as they receive donations, cases are dropped. 3 out of 5 donors bought electoral bonds after such raids. For example, this company has donated over 2,200 crores, making it the largest donor, and they were raided in April 22 and October 23, and almost immediately after the raids, they donate hundreds of crores of rupees. Thirdly, kickbacks. A pattern emerges where in certain cases, immediately after receiving benefits from the government, companies have repaid the favor through electoral bonds. A company called Vedanta got the contract for a private coal mine in March 21, and in April 21, they donated 25 crore rupees. Lastly, money laundering through shell companies. Many companies on the list are shell companies of the most powerful conglomerates in India. There are many such suspicious cases. For example, a company called Quick Supply Chain Limited, a company whose entire share capital is 130 crores, but they have donated around 410 crores in electoral bonds. Of course, disclaimer that this entirely might be a coincidence, as the BJP can claim, since the SBI has deliberately not provided the unique bond number. However, as per the judgment, this too will be released soon. Another area needing clarity are the missing bonds of over 2,000 crores purchased between March 2018 and April 2019. A more detailed and comprehensive analysis is required, and this is just the tip of the iceberg of the largest scam in the history of India. While the media was going gaga for a wedding in Jamnagar, there is not a whisper about this scam. I request you, do not turn a blind eye. Raise your voice like how you did 10 years ago. Don't let yourself and our country down. Thank you. Jai Hind.